Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to GoSystem Tax RS for workflow and reviewed detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the GoSystem Tax RS URL and hit enter. Once the GoSystem Tax RS homepage loads, look for the sign in button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button to proceed. Enter your username and password in the provided fields. If you do not have an account, look for the option that says Create Account or Register. Click on this option and fill in the required information, such as your name. After filling out the form, click on the Submit button to create your account. Once you have successfully signed in or created your account, navigate to the dashboard. Here, look for the Subscriptions or Settings section. Click on this section to access subscription options. You should see a list of available subscription plans for GoSystem Tax RS. Review the details of each plan to determine which one suits your needs best. Proceed to enter your payment information as required. Double-check all entered information for accuracy. Once everything looks correct, click on the Confirm or Purchase button to complete your subscription. Following your subscription, navigate back to your account dashboard. To access the workflow and review features, locate the Workflow section on your dashboard. Click on it to explore various options for managing your tasks and reviews. Familiarize yourself with the available tools and features to optimize your workflow experience. If you encounter any issues, consult the Help section or contact customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.